Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lightroom app for photo and video editing. I'll show you how to sign up for the app and give a brief information on the main features. So let's get started. First of all, be sure you've installed the Lightroom app on your phone. Now let's get to the point. So open the app on your phone. You'll see these texts on your screen. You can go through them if you want to, else you can press on skip. Okay, now let's create an account. First of all, tap on the sign up option. Let it load. Now you'll have to enter your credentials on this page. So enter your email address here, the one with which you want to create your Adobe account. Then enter your first name here, your last name here, and create a strong password. Be sure your password meets all the requirements, else you cannot proceed. Then you'll have to choose your date of birth and the year. After that, you'll have to choose your country or region, so you can choose from this list here. After that, you can tap on this small square box if you don't want them to contact you via email. So I'll tap on it, and when you're done, press create account. Let it load. You can get the Lightroom Premium if you want to, but you'll have to pay for that. If you don't want to, then simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see, our account has been created. Now let's see how to use the app. To capture a real-time photo or video, you can tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to import media from your gallery or other files, then you can tap on the icon next to the camera, the picture icon with a small plus sign. Tap on allow and choose any photo or video that you want to edit and press add. The photo has been imported. Now tap on all photos. Then tap on the image that you imported. Now you can start editing this image. Here, let's tap on guided tour so that it will be easier for me to explain the basic features to you. You can see the light tab from where you can access the tonal adjustments. Tap on it. And here you can see many features. The feature exposure affects the overall brightness. You can slide this circle on this bar to adjust it. The next is the contrast feature. As you can see on the screen, it controls the difference between the brightest and darkest tones. You can adjust it according to your requirement. The next is the highlights feature. It helps you brighten or darken the brightest areas on raw images. The next is the shadows feature. This feature brings out the details in totally dark areas. Now the next feature is whites. And as shown on the screen, the further you move whites to the right, the more colors appear completely white on your image or video. The next feature is blacks, and it is completely opposite to whites. The further you move blacks to the left, the more colors appear completely black on your image or video. The next is the color tab. It helps you access all the tools needed to control the color characteristics of your photo. Let's tap on it. Here you can see vibrance that affects the intensity of colors in the photo while protecting the color of skin tones. There's also the temp and tint option. You can experiment with these features on your photo. Here you can see the B and W option, which is black and white. Tap on it and your photo will be converted to black and white photo. You can also see the grading option. It allows you to add color tints to shadows, midtones, and highlights of any photo. You can see the crop option, and you can crop your photo using this option. You can adjust this photo according to your requirement. You can even rotate the picture like this. Also, you can experiment with all these other features like straighten, rotate, flip H, flip V, and others. And you can use the auto feature to auto enhance your photo. And you can undo any changes by tapping on the U-turn kind of arrow at the top. As you can see, the auto effect has been undone. The next feature is effects. You can use various effects on your photo. You have texture, clarity, dehaze, and many other options. You can experiment with them. There's also the detail feature, which allows you to bring out the details on your photo. As you can see, there's the sharpening feature, radius, detail, and many other options. You can experiment with them and adjust them according to your needs. There are these features masking and healing, and you will need Lightroom Premium to unlock and try them out. So you can try the Lightroom Premium if you want to try out these features. These are all the features in Lightroom that you'll have to know as a beginner. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.